How to test email deliverability in SendGrid. So first is navigate to the email API here on the left sidebar. Then click on it, then select dynamic templates. Now wait for it to load. Now once you're here, you simply click on create a dynamic template right there on the top right. And you simply enter a name for dynamic template. So I'm just going to name it test1, then create. Now once it's created, you will see it right here under the template section. Then click on the template that you have created, which is for me is the test1. Then click on add version. And you could start from a blank template if you want, but you could also go to the SendGrid email designs right here and select your template or select your preferred template right there. So let's say I'll go with this one, and you could also go with design editor or code editor. And for this one, I'll just go with select. And once you're here, you will just need to design the template as needed. So design it to your own liking. And once you're done designing everything, or once you are satisfied with what you have, just simply go to the test your email right here on the left navigation menu. And here you will simply need to input your from address. Once that's done, enter a recipient email address right here. So you could enter up to 10 email addresses separated by a comma. After that, just simply click on send test message to begin the deliverability test. You could also add your email right here to basically check it out. And if the test email lands on your promotions or spam folder, you will have to invest more time in your email warmups. And you also have the email testing right here, which you could also check out. So this SendGrid's email testing offers in-app spam testing, email rendering previews, and link validation. But that's how you basically test email deliverability in SendGrid.